let's talk some things. Right now, I want to do my hair, weave it, and then go for my microblading today. Thank God he gave me his permission. I want to go and do microblading. Listen, I guy man. My man is guy man. My man is a guy man. I'm telling you. And I love him for that. He's always supporting our ministry. They be like, anything that will make you happy, go ahead and do it. You want to do microblading? Go ahead. I was even thinking of how I was going to say it. Only for him to say, is it microblading? Go ahead. Shh, how are you doing? I'm done cooking jollof rice with my barbecue now. I want to loosen my hair so I can wash and then go and make another beautiful hairstyle today. Hi. Please give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please. Hmm. Auntie Blessing. Uh-uh. Auntie give it come. She's using to comb her hair. Can you imagine? Me, where hold on, I know the person, Abi. Wabi. Good girl. Yeah. Denny. Hi, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Tomorrow I'll be dropping a video of how I got 1,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. Please collect that phone for me. Please collect that phone for me. On the phone. On two. You put it number two. The middle one is two. So you know the zero for this one. Let's see. How can you help me now? I want to do this thing. You want to go and eat, Abi? Let me carry food there. I carry food, go and eat first, and then wait. So hair do not enter your face. Please. Don't let these people tell me I support you. Walai. 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 Let's come now. The secret to my good hair. 50 favor, baby. Favor. Thank you for the light. Happy New Day. Happy New Day, babes. I'm just done cooking. I started me losing my hair. Then Thank you.